welcome to the 10th episode of the PMC Live podcast, proudly brought to you by Premier Medical Center Zamboanga in collaboration with Zamboanga Guide. I'm your host, Badi, and yes, we are streaming live right now on Facebook. Don't forget to like and follow Premier Medical Center. And whether you're joining us from work, at home, or maybe on a quick break, thank you for spending your Saturday noon with us. Actually, no aura is the Bisperas del di aton Fiesta Pilar, and for sure some of you are celebrating alina di aton street dance competition. Siya niya ba update? Kanya yaga na. So if you also would like to know more about our topic for today, please do stay tuned because today we are going to talk about something just as critical: sleep health. Dolben ano mga teste time ligat sa kumigo kay very lately meron po ko lang di aton sleep. Actually, the a year 4 hours, ara 4 hours. So, 8 hours total, no? Ang sinabakel. But, kidding aside, sleep is definitely something that we have to talk about. Best kasi, we forgo sleep thinking that we will be much more productive if we will cut sleep. Pero, in essence, the best, kay perka sa pirmi kita, palta na dormida, we tend to be not as productive as we are if we got that full 8 hours, or ay sabi kita Lego si ko sa bagayot, a recommended hours of sleep. So today, let's talk about sleep health, and millions of people quietly struggle with different types of sleep disorders, especially sleep apnea and insomnia. These aren't just nighttime nuisances, they can have a serious impact on your heart, your energy levels, your mood, and your ability to focus during the day. Recognizing the signs early and getting the right care can definitely change everything. And syempre, to talk about this, we have invited we are honored to welcome the only licensed sleep technologist in Zamboanga Peninsula with an impressive 18 years of global experience in the field of sleep medicine. Ms. De Los Santos has dedicated her career to advancing the understanding and treatment of sleep disorders. She is currently affiliated with Easy Sleep Diagnostic Center, where she continues to provide expert care and diagnostic services. Please, let's all welcome Miss Emeraldi De Los Santos. Yan, palakpakan kita. Hello, ma'am. So, gracias kayo dyan po ito ka namon man-join na Bisperas del Fiesta Pilar. Ayan. Dito kong tiga to, ma'am.
Dito to, Zamboanga City.
Zamboanga. Chabacano kayo
Yes,
ito. Ayan. And in your 18 years of experience, kwanto oras ba ito ya pwede dormi? Akal pinaka-largo.
Actually, pinaka-largo?
Si.
Siguro 8 hours, 9 hours, and sina.
Kausabel, usually, si mas korta ba dati yung dormida, tanten ba to man oversleep, or how does it go? Ansina gayod. No? So, we will be tackling about sleep today. So, aquellos mga consueño ali or tan huyap-huyap ya, tomaya ustedes kape, or maybe you could make sure that you are awake so that you could hear all of the details about our topic for today. So, kosa ba, ara lang kasi uwi ko ng sleep clinic. Kosa ba sleep clinic, ma'am? And what are the services that you provide?
Yeah, yung sleep clinic is a place or clinic where specialists diagnose and treat patients with sleep disorder. Okay. We do the services like diagnostic sleep study, we have therapeutic, we have split sleep study, we have MSLT and MWT. So diagnostic is where it's an overnight sleep study. The patient will overnight sila durmi na clinic.
Oh.
Okay. So before sleeping, pone kami kanila na pone kami electrodes. I think it's around 27 to 28 electrodes whole body. So, ali, man-monitor kami si kosa sila chene sleep disorders, like sleep apnea, or movement disorder, and sina. Kapag pwede rin kami sabi si channel pasyente mild, moderate, or severe sleep apnea, and sina. So, if ever chene sleep apnea pasyente, biraya tamen se ulit el pasyente for another night. For the therapeutic sleep study. So, el therapeutic sleep study, same thing, electrodes po plus el CPAP machine.
Oh.
Okay, so el CPAP machine is a portable machine lang na tan blow air or pressure para man open up dito yung airways. Kasi once you have sleep apnea, kasi it's partially blocked or blocked dito yung airways while you're sleeping. So, amukel, tabus ka kami el right pressure para man open up el airways while asleep. So since sakay kami di ila right pressure, man recommend ya el doktor causal pressure ni sitel pasyente. So simira kami ulit kun el pasyente after the study, man set ya kami el right pressure na di ila machine na to be used at home while asleep. And then, siya na tamen kita tala mas split sleep study. Both taase kami in one night. Diagnostic and therapeutic in one night lang. Okay? So, kasi usually kasi mga pasyente na siya moderate to severe sleep apnea, within 2 to 3 hours, ta pwede asi kita sabi na siya sila. So, we still have enough time para asel therapeutic. So, estel mas bueno na sleep study kasi once lang to anda na clinic. Kaysa pabira-bira pa to.
And it's good also that we already have these types of clinics nowadays kasi the antes si akil taptasin ti kita ay don't you something wrong with my sleeping pattern, with my sleep, with how I snore. The antes what we do is chenebes abala ay baka pa talaga dormi lang kayo mas largo.
Yes.
Diba? But we didn't know that we could address these things through este mga klase de clinic. And possible role del mga specialists like sleep doctors or sleep technician, pakilaya ba sa sila tan diagnose or treat este mga sleeping disorders?
Yeah, so sleep doctor, sila el tamira sila pasyente, tasaka sila background and sila history. And then, when it comes to the sleep study, sila el tan analyze, tan interpret, and recommend kung el sleep study as a dinoche. And then, el sleep technologies naman works closely na pasyente. So during the night, tali el sleep tech. Sila tapon electrodes, sila tan monitor. So si ta dormi el pasyente, el sleep technologist naman el dispierto. Hindi pwede dormi el sleep technologist kasi si tiyan ko sa na electrodes,
back to zero.
Yes, sayang el sleep study.
Study.
That's why you need to have a trained sleep tech para okay el sleep study del pasyente. Mas better for the doctor na mira sila na okay el signal.
So, you work collaboratively with physicians.
Yes.
Diba?
Yeah.
So, kosa ba el diferensya de ese sleep clinic from just seeing a general physician with sleep problems? Kosa ba el role del sleep clinic?
El sleep clinic kasi, we're specialized kami na sleep. Like mga cardiologists, di ba? Specialized sila na cardio or na pulmonologist and sila na pulmo. So, el sleep, specialized kami na mga sleep disorder.
So, mas pwede ustedes ayuda ko ng mga doctors to really identify
the problem.
Kasi syempre pag general, 'di ba? Generally speaking, they can rule it out to other diseases, 'di ba? Pero here, the clinic itself will help guide si kosa ba gayud el right treatment for the patient. So, el mga tiyan lang ba sleep disorders, pwede man visit ko na sleep clinic or tiyan na ba other reasons why they should visit your clinic?
Yeah, there are a few na hindi lang dahil na tiyan sila problema na sleep diila, like sleep problem and sina. First, tanda sila, yun nga, persistent sleep problems which is na tan-snore sila,
Mhm.
waking up gasping,
Mhm.
sina excessive daytime sleepiness, excessive daytime fatigue, kahit largo ya dila
Largo di
tulog,
berasan siya.
mga kel tan dipisil durmi, SL mga tanda rin na usually tanda na
Clean.
sleep clinic.
Sleep.
Pero there's other rin like work-related sleep needs, mga night shift workers kasi
Mga
magulugat dila
yes.
body clock.
Body clock, yes.
And then akal mga high risk jobs na nisita safety certificates.
Nisisita awake, alive, and
Yes,
enthusiastic.
like ng mga bus driver, mga passenger drivers, pilot, and sina. So tanda tamen sila. And also the mental health patients, and sina, tanda tamen. And akal mga preventive na consultation like kalsya na mga history, family history of sleep problem.
Opo.
Sina, so tanda sila kasi siguro tanfilia sila. Dolce naman yun, sina. Dolce naman yun, tan-snore man yun, sina.
Yes.
Di mo na tan-snore. Siguro yun, siya tayo yung sleep apnea. So tanda sila para man consult.
Yes. Kasi syempre, prevention is always better
Yes.
than cure. So, hindi kita sabi, si Pakilaya man address these things. And siya na best kasi, ma'am, like iyo personally, when I travel, siya na best kasi siya na mga travels na siya na to roommate. Makahuya kasi siya na best si tan-snore gayot ito, diba?
Yes.
Parang ito yung cause na hindi lang po na durmi. So, it's better that we can address it or para sabi kita, porke ba gayud kita tan-snore? Kasi most of the time, ang mga haka-haka, which we will know later if it's a myth or a fact, is automatically daw pag tan-snore, siya daw heart problem, or si tan-snore daw kay medyo on the heavy side, diba? So, we will know all of those in a few. So, talking about sleep, aray, sabi yakat kita. Kay piri nga say, kwanto ora ba gayud necesita dormi un individual?
This is based on normal patient without sleep apnea, without sleep disorders, ganon. So, for adults, it's 7 to 9 hours. For teens, 8 to 10 hours. Kids, which varies from their age, around 9 to 12. Adult, older adult, mas less sila, slightly less. Pero, beneficial pa rin ang mga 7 to 8 hours.
Por eso no, el mga bata, kay mga medyo mga toddlers, medyo mas lago ka sila dormi.
Tapos
Di mo ang mga anak kan siesta pa. Pati, lalo yakal mga infant pa gayon, diba po alos dormi.
Kasi development ka. Tayo na develop.
Ayun. So, amo yakal ha, hindi 4 hours a year, 4 hours aura, complete yan 8 hours. Debe, tuloy-tuloy na 8 hours of sleep. Pakilaya akilos mga pirmitan tiplak, ma'am. Does it still count na 8 hours? Example, yadurmi iyo, let's say, 8 p.m. Kabar, yan tiplak iyo, alas 12. Yadurmi iyo ulit. Kung yan installment pa.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan.
Yes,
Asa dormida is installment yan, ma? Ay, naku. Ayan. So, what happens if Noy ele po saka recommended hours of sleep?
Yun, usually you will have poor concentration, poor memory, immune system di aton abaha, and then weight gain, and there's a high risk na magkaroon siya ng chronic illness, yung ganon.
So, aquellos mga working class también, akal mga work from Monday to Friday, okay lang ba palta sila dormida from Monday to Friday, kapag mambawi sila, dormi sila mga 15 hours during the weekends.
Okay lang naman yun, just to reduce the health risk associated with sleep deprivation, such as yung mga problem na sa heart, like heart problems and sina. Pero much better pa rin na siya na to scheduled time gayot every day na
como
tadormi
pattern,
to.
Doc,
Yeah,
no?
so yeah.
Actually, cuando de antes na call center yo tatrabahadok na Manila, yang pansin iyo, example, kay night shift yo, maskin off yo, Dok, amo agad kill di mi pattern.
Yeah. Emmy lang.
Ay,
Emmy
opo. Ma'am Emmy. Ayan. Porke po kailan sina Ma'am
Kasakal
Emmy.
ulit.
Akal, diba, na call center yo. So, di mi dormida gayod is 7 a.m. to, let's say, 3 p.m.
Yes.
Maskin off ya yo, tapos ko na kayo kambya di mi yung ora de dormida. Hindi gayud
Kasi
le.
magulo ya dito yung
Body
circadian
clock, no?
rhythms, yes, ito yung body clock.
Especially ako mga nocturnal tambien, no? Como yan, nadya sila na kay mga ta Netflix and chill ali de noche. Or sometimes, especially ang mga creators, kay our creativity are most alert and parang mas ano gayud ang creative juices at night. I'm not sure porke, pero amo gayud. Yun yan, nadya gayud iyo hasta 12 p.m. ansina. Pero di mo tamen dispiertada late kayo. Di ba, Chin? Ay, relate. Ayan. So, ano ba? How about igual ka namon siya nebes kay manadat ko sa tapensa. Pakilaya ba kita po naman sleep faster? Fall
Yeah,
asleep
okay.
faster.
First, you really have to get a scheduled time for sleep. Okay, avoid gadgets before bedtime kasi yung mga gadgets siya na sa mga blue lights which interferes the production of the melatonin hormones na which is responsible sa sleep-wake cycle ng body. So, and then we also have to create a bedtime routine like warm bath or warm shower.
Manlight ya ko na sa mga scented candles, hindi sa
mga
pang
reading,
display.
or listening to relaxing music, yung mga ganun.
O hindi sa deberasan ay un episode ya lang gayud para pwede ka durmi. Hindi kita sigat sa kaba ko na
Yeah, and
episode.
also limit the caffeine intake.
Ayun.
Okay.
No mayaman
On the later part of the night, yeah.
Yung
Kasi like you can find caffeine like in colas, chocolate, meron rin yan.
Chocolate.
Yeah, teas, and of course coffee.
So balik kita ang tabla ustedes, hindi ta pwede dormi body hindi yung mga kape de noche. Ay,
Pero yun yung kuno si Ancina.
Pero saan got Mom Amy. And so, you've mentioned about caffeine. How about exercise? Does it help or does it hurt your pattern of sleep?
It will improve your sleep, pero no, avoid lang intense workout on the later part of the day.
Sa tamen, mahilig kasi kita abla, wait lang gayud, man 10 minutes power nap lang at yo para kaya kat yo okay. How about that?
Yes, deberasan se, as long as you will just take like 10 to 30 minutes of nap. Kasi kung longer naps,
Hindi ka nap, dormida yan.
diyan na basta disperta to groggy to.
Yes. And parang pag disperta to ansina ya el largor, mas kaya to dormi pa.
Yes,
I've noticed that. So, importante kayo that you get that cycle going. Hindi pwede otro-otro el to you cycle of sleep kasi that will hurt your body clock and eventually that will also hurt your productivity at work or whatever you may be doing. Ayan. So now, kusa ba ang mga sleep disorders and kusa ba ang mga causes de ese, Ma'am
okay.
Emmy?
Actually, binmucho ka sa sleep disorders.
Maybe
okay?
ako lang mga
few lang yung man mention and
Yes.
few causes of them. Kasi si Ablabla to sleep disorders, talyasan
It's
na
a
mga
broad,
80 or
oo.
100 klase. So, pwede naman start na insomnia. So, insomnia is difficulty in sleeping, right? So, there's two types of insomnia, which is the sleep onset and sleep maintenance insomnia. So, dos SL. First na, hindi to saka sleep, hindi to pwede dormi, at saka uno, hindi to pwede man maintain dito yung sleep during the night kapag gising-gising. So usually I'll cause this pwede stress, pwede anxiety and depression,
Yung
pwede
break pati jowa.
yes. Pwede rin cause of medication. So, amusel mga some causes of it. And then, chenetamen sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is you stop breathing while you're asleep.
Amo yung kamuta kabayal reso.
Yes.
Di mi marido ang sina.
Oh.
Akabi, kusa po sa ili. Dois, hindi mo katapo diri sulya. Ang sina
Yeah.
yan. Ma'am Emmy.
Yeah.
Hala. Dapat gala, libayo ko nila kung
Yes. Ayun. So, ese tamen siya sa three causes. Three types of sleep apnea. Okay? So, siya na obstructive, central, and mixed. El causes dese, it can be hereditary, it can be facial structures, it can be obesity, muchos causes. Pwede big tonsils, mucho sa sila mga causes.
You mentioned about sleep apnea. Kaya amo ka sa kita peer mita uwi.
Mhm.
Can you elaborate about that?
Yes.
And kasi for sure, amo ba sa pinaka?
Yes, most of the time, el mga gente taanda ka namon is sleep apnea al problema. So, sleep apnea, the signs and symptoms of sleep apnea is excessive daytime sleepiness, waking up gasping, tanansina, and then witness apnea, sakil el pasyente hindi sila pwede mira sabi na ansina sila, pero usually other people will notice it, like wife or partner or even relatives and friends. Sila el taablaw ita para to risulya ansina. And then snoring din kasi tiene otro mga pasyente diamon pati na otro room daw ta pwede gat uy snoring. And then waking up with dry mouth, uno rin sa mga signs and symptoms. Waking up with morning headaches, yung ganun, nocturnal reflux, SL mga signs and symptoms. So, si Chena sila ansina, anday sila na doctor or na sleep doctor or na sleep clinic.
Duldoan na mangat kami pati di marinid. Duldos mangat kami kohombuan sila. And sa taman kasi si Tador may kita, diba, ablaman to dryness of mouth. Diba kasi Tador may abertal boca.
Yeah. Kasi Chenebes kasi tangas to air.
So, mga cause. And what is, diba, about to Anante, sleep study? Because you've mentioned about sleep study. How long, or para at least the example, man check up ara. Para man, pwede kita man expect how long will it take? Pakilaya ba sa process?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so sleep study naman, it's an overnight sleep study, no? Usually tan start sa mga alas 8, man start ya sa kami po ni electrodes.
AM.
No, PM. It's an overnight, yeah.
Okay. Alin sila durumi.
Yes. So 8 PM man start ya sa man hook up el mga electrodes kasi it will take 45 minutes to an hour to put all the electrodes. So tiyan na kita electrodes na nakabesa to monitor the brain waves para para pwede kita mira si nasa light sleep bale or deep sleep ansina or pagising-gising during the night. So pwede sa kita mira. And then chinatan kita parang nasal cannula na naris, alitan monitor kita el in and out of air flow. Alita mira sita para le risulya. And then chinatan kita snore sensor na neck para man monitor el snoring del pasyente. ECG, tan monitor din kita, and oxygen del body. Kasi once you have sleep apnea, di pa tan block di atin airways, oxygen ta abahatamin. That's why we have to monitor it again as well. And then leg movements, tan monitor din kita. Akel.
So, Kosa Base, what is it called? What is the sleep study called?
Polysomnography.
Polysomnography.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, si anda ustedes na clinic di Ma'am Emmy. So, ma-assess anay no? Magkwento-kwento, causal
sinisita ba gayot
sinisita ba ko ng sleep study or other interventions.
Problems, yes.
Ayan. So, nesesita ba kita CPAP machine, for example, sabi kita kanila sleep apnea.
Universal treatment kasi for sleep apnea is CPAP machine or BiPAP machine.
Ba sa ELE? Acronym ba sa ELE?
Yeah, it's a continuous positive airway pressure. That's why it's called CPAP. And we also have BiPAP. It's a bi-level positive airway pressure machine. Amo say, so SL universal treatment, pero siya na tamen otro mga taas tamen sila surgical, like removing the tonsils, so adenoids, yeah, pero siya na best kasi kahit kita totally pa rin ang sleep apnea. Kasi there's different causes of sleep apnea, di ba? So si akalin tan cause ko ng sleep apnea, di tali pa rin ang sleep apnea.
So talking about sleep apnea, kosa ba pasa if it's left untreated?
Okay. You will have a high risk of having heart problems like stroke, hypertension, diabetes, dementia, sexual dysfunction, may
kamatis ya.
So mucho katele na GERD, talitamen, so kailangan nisitagat kita man treat ko nese. Depression tan cause rin
na Monday assessment check. Kay it will definitely affect our way of life, diba?
Yes.
So can children also have sleep apnea?
Yes, yes.
Ooh.
Yung mga obese, big tonsils, yung mga may underlying medical conditions like yung mga cerebral palsy, yung may mga Down syndromes, yung may mga neuromuscular problem, and also kal mga tiyan na problema na craniofacial structures, so usually mga sinang pasyente.
Pati ang mga children, tan-snore kasi tami,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
So, normal lang ba si mas-snore?
Light snoring is okay. Okay lang. Pero nung malaki mga loud, disruptive na snoring or akal tanggas ya sila for air. Kaya nisita ka sila mandaman sleep study para mira si negat effect el snoring na dila anak.
So, you mentioned earlier how we can sleep better as adults. Is it the same for children?
Yes, yes.
Same lang
yes.
kami, no? Avoid gadgets,
Yes.
avoid sweets.
Actually, pwede man sila man, pwede sila man search na internet. Mucho pa mga sleep hygiene. Alam ka, sleep hygiene.
Ma'am Emmy, akal pa siya pa ako mo lights. Como, di ba, mga bata, para mananad sila, nadurmiya sila. So, bedtime story, lights off, para at least pattern
parang
na
routine
sabi ya kay durmiya kita. Hindi ya para huga. So, dapat man develop kita ese pattern para mindset naman ng mga bata, okay, it's sleeping time. Ayan. Hindi lang during siesta kay tagara palito. Ay, yung mga lola, di ba ma'am? Tagara palito. Hindi ba kayo tudurming? Palito na po ya gayon. Si tato chena gayon ito royal. Si tato chena ito skyflakes. Diba? So chena pa pang bribe. So talking about snoring specific yatamen kita ahora. ¿Por qué ba tan snore un individual? Cosa el cause del snoring?
So air kasi ta entra na diaton passage airways, di ba? So if diaton airways is partially or narrowed or partially blocked, so GNSL tissue ali na throat tan vibrate sele. So amo sel time na tan sound ya na snoring.
Por eso gali. Kita question online. Habla pa si Ma'am Cherise. Esa ba daw mga Apple Watches, mga watch tan monitor di aton oxygen when sleeping, reliable ba daw si?
Amo gani sila taabla, di ba? Pero much better talaga na sleep. Estegat PSG gayot. El polysomnography. Kasi el polysomnography takigat pilit na di aton body. Ese kasi is although takile na risk lang ele.
Hindi gat ele akil mas manada point.
Yeah.
Diba? Akil lang kayo, limited lang.
Kasi chene best naman tabla sila el sleeping pattern ta pwede tan aki light sleep or deep sleep. Pero chene sa otros studies rin na hindi sila tan igual.
I think because it's only one point, aki lang. You could use that to determine if you need to see kung Ma'am Emmy na yung clinic. Kasi 'di ba, best di makita sabi si when to go. So alya pa lang since yan determine niya alya na to you watch not siya to difficulties na to you pattern. So that's your next step. So pwede le pang initial step lang but not totally to diagnose that you have sleep apnea or whatsoever. So thank you so much for that question. And also dangerous, you've mentioned na it could lead to heart diseases. So definitely, snoring is dangerous.
Kung medyo yagat mga loud, disruptive, yes. Kasi it can be caused by sleep apnea rin.
Si akil tauwiya that you bisinos, that you snoring, that's definitely loud yaga yun, no? Especially si, example, takito na room. Kaya tapo de uwi na room. So, it's something that you should be alarmed about and that you should already go and have yourself checked. So, are there treatments available for snoring?
Meron naman. It can be surgical and non-surgical, okay? So, yung non-surgical, pwede tayo. Yung meron silang tinatawag na dental device, which is the mandibular advancement splint. Meron rin, pwede rin CPAP. Positional therapy, pwede rin. Like, on the side,
Durming. Kasi, Ma'am Emmy, pwede man eliminate snoring or
Hindi,
lessen only?
mag-lessen lang.
Okay. Tiyan, tama niyo yung tapo na sila, kamo blue, kamo tape, man, kakawa siya na roto lang na
hindi ka masyad, hindi ka
I mean, it
effective.
will only address the sound.
Yes.
But not really the underlying cause. Diba? Pwede kasi ako mga man-travel lang to, kabar, siya to huya na to yung uban.
Yes.
Ayan. So, siya napakita another question. Sleep disorder ba? Akal ta durmi na aeroplano, then bigla ta-dispirta ka, maya grita.
Pwede naman, oo.
Parang, akal ba ko mo,
parang
tanmungawan ba, Ma'am Emmy, kabar bigla
Yeah, under, yun, parasomnias. Pwede yun under parasomnias.
Kamata sleepwalk, diba?
Yes, sleep terrors, sleepwalk, sleep talking, yung mga ganun.
Siya na naman sa treatments.
Yes, siya na naman.
So, again guys all of these things that you are experiencing, you have to consult el mga specialista di aton. We could not rely on just Google itself on how you could treat it. Siya na kita mga specific specialists who studied these disorders or sleep disorders for us to be able to address it. So now, you mentioned as well that mental health also has an effect on sleep. So how are sleep disorders related to anxiety and depression?
Yeah, actually yan sila, may yan sila, bi-directional relationship yan silang dalawa. So yung sleep disorders can can affect your anxiety and depression, and then vice versa. Anxiety and depression will cause sleep disorder too. Kasi like sleep is really vital, 'di ba? For your brain function, emotional regulation, for cognitive activity man sina. So hindi kita tadurmi bunamente disruptive diaton sleep. Na diaton tan emotion regulator, medyo magulo rin. So alias ita kaya tan depresya, tan anxiety. And then ang mga chinatamen anxiety and depression, tatormenta namin durmi. Like isla insomnia or other sleep disturbances. Kaya mas bueno gat sila man-treat rin el underlying dese. Kung chine sleep problem el pasyente, man-treat sila. Kung sleep problem.
So, as a poor sleep, can it make the mental health worse?
Yes, yun nga.
Kay como basta pwede sila man-relax or man-rest.
Parang na masyagat sila energy. Kasi if you don't sleep good, no to energy.
Amo kayo.
No to energy.
The berasal gat say, I can relate. Kasi diba, parang there are times na parang takuntay lang to kwanto ora ya lang iyo durmi. Example, di syempre yan, movie marathon to. Alas 12 ya. Takunta to kabat siya to alas 5 appointment. Kunta to alas 12. Kaya ore dispierta alas 3 or alas 4. 4 oras lang dormi. And then
dapat kasi we're talking here about the good quality of sleep kasi, not the quantity. Kasi if you have sleep apnea, hindi okay dito yung tulog kasi pagising-gising sa dito yung brain. So kung hindi kahit 9 hours or 10 hours pero dito yung quality of sleep is not good. Ayun. So antok pa rin to.
So parang pa rin, quality is better than quantity.
For the sleep,
kasi maskin 12 hours pa to yan durmi technically, pero every 1 hour tamin disperta tantipla.
Yeah, like igol na New Zealand, el mga drivers before kasi sila man-renew dila license, they have to come to the sleep clinic for the certificate. So at least 4 hours of sleep with the CPAP machine is already good. Yeah. Kasi once you have the CPAP, you're using a CPAP machine, okay dito yung tulog.
As of the moment, ba Ma'am Emmy, the CPAP machine and all of these diagnostics for sleep is not subsidized by our government in the Philippines. So it's really out of our pocket, diba?
Like
so
CPAP,
hopefully, kung di aton ma-concern, hopefully we could include this because at the end of the day, sleep is definitely something that is important to individuals, especially to our drivers, no, mga piloto, kasi they're carrying mga
safety for the
safety of the
passenger
passengers
and the people around, like tan driver, bus driver,
Yes.
truck driver, safety rin ng mga
Yes.
hente na road.
Maybe we can adopt those mga regulations na other countries, no? Kasi it will definitely avoid di aton mga accidents na road. Ayan. So, interrelated galigayot sa todo. And now, ma'am, we will do a myth or fact since we're done discussing about sleep and the different disorders and how to treat them. So, I will read a statement and all you need to do is just say fact or myth and maybe you could elaborate kay konti lang po. Ayan. So, first statement. Snoring is annoying but it's harmless. Myth or fact? Ayan.
Myth.
Porque myth, ma'am.
Kasi some snoring are caused by sleep apnea rin. Yeah.
So, hindi harmless.
Hindi lang harmless, siya ka light
Yes.
snoring lang.
Okay.
Pero siya kal mga disruptive ya, kal mga very loud ya. Ano ya kel? Pwede kel kada sleep
Ayun.
apnea.
So, sleep apnea only affects older and overweight men. Myth or fact? O myth, ha?
Kasi siya na rin kita mga pasyente, mga bata.
Pati siya na ba taman mga maskin hindi gorda,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes. Kasi 'di ba sabi ko, sleep apnea is caused by different problems. Pwede facial structures, mga narrow
So, hindi
airways.
automatically na mga
Men
on the
lang,
heavier side or on only for men.
Yeah.
Next kita, insomnia is just in your head. Kasi siya tabla, ay, dulce ni mga yung insomnia. Ay, hindi na, di ko lang sa pensamiento. Sa mga marites, alin na mga tiyenda. Baka siya lang kasi tapen sa debe. Ay, debe. Pwede. So, it's a myth, ha? So, next, alcohol helps you sleep better. Myth or fact? Ay, hindi, bakali.
Kasi once you have alcohol kasi mas natan-relaxel di aton mga soft tissues, mga muscles, so more obstructions eh. Yeah. Chene sa study rin na no alcohol and chene alcohol, mas worse gata keda sleep apnea si chene alcohol.
Kasi chene mga otro, they make it as an excuse. Abla, hindi to pwede durmis, hindi ito ma one shot. Diba? Chin? Ay, chin. Yaw sa damay. Ayan. So, kasi siya nakita Ginuman Festival. So, sometimes they use it as an excuse. But, to be honest, hindi daw gali. Now you know. Okay. Next, using sleeping pills is the best long-term solution for insomnia. Miss.
Kasi siya naman kita otro mga therapy for insomnia like the CB.
Tatcha na ba sa tendency kita dependent na
Yes,
sleeping
yes.
pills? Ayun. So, masing ko sa tamen overly used can be dangerous to you. Kasi baka at the end of the day, parang tapen sa to permis, hindi ito makunaste. Hindi
Dependent ya gayon.
Dependent ya gayon. So, before we end, Ma'am Emmy, we know many of our viewers today may be parents, guardians, or even young adults who are starting to feel concerned, especially if they are someone they love has been experiencing symptoms like loud snoring, frequent waking up during the night, constant daytime fatigue, difficulty concentrating, or long-term trouble falling or staying asleep. Kung nakilos mga tamira, kung sa balde tuyo message for them.
Si Jenna, ustedes cosa tasinti na tan affect ya con ustedes like na sleep, tan rungkagat ustedes, dolta ka ba di ustedes resuello during the night or habang tan tulog, ando ustedes na sleep clinic or na sleep doctor para mandaman siya. Kasi si left untreated gatese, chinegat si side effect na di ustedes health. Lalo ya ara, pabatayal mga tan heart attack, ansinas. Yes, so manda ustedes man check as soon as possible si pwede ustedes.
So man-answer lang kita, chile pa question, Ma'am Emmy. Todo ba daw tan sleep apnea nisisita gayud man CPAP?
Akal recommended universal treatment. So pero pwede naman rin mandaman surgery like mga bata more on surgery kung malaki yung mga tonsils nila. Surgery yung kasi usually mga bata hindi nila na tolerate yung CPAP. Yeah.
So now we're on to our exciting part. Siya nakita fast talk, Ma'am Emmy.
Sabi ka lang.
So I'm gonna read statements, and all you need to do is just answer as fast as you can. Are you ready, Ma'am Emmy?
Okay.
Okay. Water or soft drinks?
Water. Healthy.
First thing you do in the morning?
Cell phone.
Alak ka. Walk or run?
Run.
Instant noodles or instant coffee?
Coffee.
One health tip you live by?
Kung sa ba?
Sleep early.
Yes, yes. Sleep early.
Ayun. Only samgyup or only rice?
Sangyup.
Mas okay ba ang hot shower or cold shower?
Hot shower.
Kung hindi ka naging sleep specialist, ano ka ngayon?
Siguro doktor.
Ayun. So thank you so much, Ma'am Emmy. It has been fun to discuss kasi I myself, I am guilty that I have been experiencing those, but I don't know whom to go
Where
to.
yeah.
So at least now, through this discussion, sabi yon na pwede anda contigo, and then eventually you will recommend maybe to go to Premier Medical Center for additional or for a collaborative help in addressing those sleep needs. Ayan. So kung nakilas mga pirmitamira ka na, despite no ay maya daw signal. Ayan. Thank you so much for always supporting Premier Medical Center's podcast. And this discussion is also a reminder that knowledge and awareness can protect something as vital as our health, especially when it comes to conditions like this. Don't forget to follow PMC and Zamboanga Guide for more health content and medical service updates. This has been your host, Badi, reminding you that at PMC, we don't just treat, we care. Keep safe, stay hydrated, and hasta la vista, santiki mga bati. Buyers!
Bye.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Emmy.
Step inside where hope begins to rise. Premier Medical Center, Zamboanga in your eyes. Healing hands, they guide the way. Every heartbeat finds a brighter day. Feel the care, it's in the air. Every moment, they're always there. Premier Medical Center, always shine, a place of love, a healing sign. Premier Medical Center, Zamboanga. We're the light, together we fight, making futures bright. White coats running through the halls, echoes of laughter breaking down the walls. Every life, every soul they mend. Premier Medical Center, where care won't end. Feel the care, it's in